Hi, this is Shamanth. Please don't forward the video while watching, and watch start to end for better learning. Before to this session, please watch my previous videos to understand SolidWorks basics properly. Today we'll start the above shown exercise with step-by-step explanation. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking bell icon for further updates. Let's start SolidWorks. Double-click and run SolidWorks. Go to File menu, click on New Document, then click on Part Document, then click OK to open Part Document window. Now you can able to see Part Document window. Right-click on Plane. Select Sketch command to start sketching. Draw a circle. Then right-click on it, and change it to Construction Geometry. Then, give dimension to it with diameter value of 150 millimeters. It turns to black color, it indicates fully defined. Take center line command and draw two center lines as shown. Exit from sketch mode. Again go back to front plane and enter to sketch mode by right-click on plane. Select circle line along with center lines and click Convert Entities command. Now entities copied from previous sketch to present sketch. Go to Power Trim command and trim unwanted entities. See closely, circle ends not fully defined. It's showing in blue color. Click on circle end, and center line, by holding the Control key. Give coincident mate relation, to make it fully defined. See, now it's turned to black color. Click on arc, then click on offset command. Select base geometry, bidirectional and cap ends. Now sketch is offset with closed loop of entities. Add one more center line, from midpoint of arc to origin. Extruded, by extruded boss/base feature command. Enter thickness value of 10 mm, by selecting midplane. Hide sketch 1 to avoid confusions, by right-click on it. Again, go back to front plane and enter to sketch mode by right-click on plane. Unhide sketch 2, by right-click on it. Repeat offset command and extruded it by boss/base feature command as earlier. Go to fillet command and add 10 mm radius fillet to the selected edges. Go to Sketch 2, right-click on it and say Unhide. Again repeat the sketch mode, to draw 4 circles of diameter 5 mm. Go to Extruded Cut feature command and select through all, both. Click OK, to execute Extruded Cut feature command. Now we achieved the part model, as similar to exercise input drawing. Thank you for watching this training session. We'll see you again in next video.